You, it depends on how you're seeing yourself or how's others. Anyway, hello. Welcome to another vlog. So it's a Friday and it's one of the warmer weekends that we are sort of getting into.
15 degrees.
It's 15 degrees outside. It's a Friday. It's around 8 p.m. Look at the sun. It's 8. It's almost 8 p.m. So this is the time of the year that we live here for. So basically, we just finished work and we were just chilling, and we thought, let's just, go around where we live and just go for a walk. So I thought maybe I'll just make a vlog because I haven't shown anybody where I live, which I'm not going to, but maybe the area, right? Okay, let's go.
Punch louder than the city's own shine. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks bounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
That's the sunset. I mean, that's as much as you can see from the ground level. But you can see it there. It looks so pretty though. Every time that we walk from here during this time, you can see all these glasses, they turn yellow and it's beautiful.
Tell me, what do you want to do?
I am not that hungry, so if you're hungry, you have to tell me what do you want to eat. You can't be like hungry and food will drop. Things don't work that way. I'm not even dating her and I have to have all these problems.
Shut up.
Can you just make up your mind?
Shut up.
आपके तो वैसे भी options limited ही है. Veg. उसमें से paneer you don't eat. We are near the Young and Shepherd area. This is we live very close to this area. We thought we'll come out and we'll see the sunset, but the sun has already set. Long time ago.
Someone took ages to get ready.
Because I have a life inside my room.
These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
Udon है यहाँ पे, खाना है आपको?
At Young and Shepherd, Korea Food Town serves more than just great eats. It's the heart of Toronto's Koreatown North. Born in the 90s from a wave of Korean businesses and community spirit, today it's a one-stop heaven for barbecue, hot pot, and street food dreams. Come here for the kimchi and stay for the vibes, I guess. But spoiler alert, you followed your nose. It's where new immigrants built a taste of home and the rest of Toronto just showed up with chopsticks.
Basically, we thought that we'll go and we'll sit and we'll eat somewhere. But now we're contemplating. She's vegetarian and this is not the right place for her to look for food. Mila?
Just a short walk away is the North York Centre Market Walk. It's a lively corridor connecting Empress Walk, Mel Lastman Square, and the Nokia Civic Centre. This area usually got developed when the Korean immigrants started moving up north from the original town, which was near Bloranyang.
So we did some shopping and now we're gonna see if we can find any food for her because I eat everything. She does discrimination when it comes to food, which is completely alright. We can have preferences, of course. So we don't really have a plan. It's a Friday and then we have Saturday, Sunday. I do have work this weekend because I have multiple jobs and I'm very exhausted. Most of the places, like I was saying, because it's an Asian based area, most of the things that you would find are probably not going to be a right choice if you're a vegetarian, which is kind of what's happening. अरे मैं कुछ भी खाती हूँ, आप बताओ आपको क्या खाना है भाई? हाँ, so you have to tell me what you want to eat because I'll eat anything, which makes me sound like বলো কি করবে? কি খাবে? গান গায়. If I ask her what she wants first, she'll start with the mukhra. 4 or 5 lines of then the next words will be shut up. And then she'll be like, I don't know. Ramen खाना है? Dumplings खाना है? Bao खाना है? Tacos खाना है?
कॉफी लेना है या फिर क्या करना है?
Again, this is like the seventh time I'll tell you. I can eat anything. You tell me what you want to eat. चलो. So we got the food. We didn't find a place to eat outside, so we are going home. What did we order? We ordered tteokbokki, which is a regular, and they said it's veg. It's like not non-veg. So we ordered a tteokbokki. We got fried chicken, which is going to be like spicy, but she thinks that it's sweet. She tastes spice as sweet, so you can imagine. And they have come up with this new thing. It's called a rice hot dog sort of a thing. So we got that as well. So we're gonna try it. That's the Tavernello. She selected this. I don't know. I don't want to sit there.
Stand on it.
I want to stand.
What's stand and eat on my head? Sit.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Moon that echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples like the darkness to light. Keeps pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
Just because it's tikha.
So much better now.
Climb, the clock keeps spinning, but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fit the Titans round.
So now their father passed away, so kind of hate each other.
Echoes through the alleys at night.
Happy Friday.
Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat.
His name is Fizzy. The sister's name is Ginny. And the guy who you see everywhere, his name is Diggy.
And what are the full forms?
Digvijay. Swimming pool का print है.
Here's the thing. Sophia, अगर मैं कल आ गया और बूंदीज के साथ रॉयल BNB पर नहीं, try to help me. And honestly, मेरे family के, so now you know कि रॉयल families के RSVPs इतने कम क्यों?
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do boo ba do